Okay, so we have here Knight-Incantor Warhammer miniature, and we're gonna base him today. So we have him there. He's summoning his power. He's lifting these rocks up. We'll have his crystals up here. And we'll get some stuff in between. Small rocks and things. So we got here. Got the rocks kind of set up to super glue. Okay, here we are, 7 in the morning. I came home from work last night, did a little bit of basing, show you what's going on with that. And figured this morning we'd check and see how super glue held up. So we get the camera flipped around, do a couple minutes of extra filming, and then I gotta head out to my day job. Fun times. Here we go. Okay, so we got a couple rocks and things going on here. Put some fake snow on there. Let's see here. Nice. Nice. That's rock one. Get this attack out of here. Boom. Good deal, good deal. Got that rock. Let's get this out of here if we can. Oh yes, it's working good so far. Good old super glue. Let's see what we have here. This is the one. Oh yeah. Nice. Back down here, we're gonna put a little bit of our snow on there. You guys will see what the point of this snow texture is come the end of this video. I'm just using it as a texture, not to make snow. This whole thing's gonna get primed, and I'll go in and paint all the rocks back to rocks, paint whatever back to whatever. Could just leave them as rocks, but we're going to do this all the way. First one, do it right. Checking it out. So far, I'm having a blast. In my head, this is gonna be amazing. So let's figure it out together here. Yeah. We're just gonna, I think what I need to do is fill in some of these gaps with some of this so it all Should all blend when I hit it with some primer. Yeah, my guess is probably good as your guess. Your guess is good as mine, whichever. Whoever, we're all guessing right now. Unless you know something, post it down in the comments, that'd be great. Help me out for next time. So, we're flying by the seam of my pants here on this, or my pajamas, because this, as I said, 7 in the morning. It's the only time I can find to get some of this in so far this week. Got a busy work schedule. Please like, subscribe, help me along the way. By the end of this, we're gonna have us a sweet looking desert terrain, some magic going on. As you can see, rocks just don't float for no reason. But we'll have a reason for that by the end. Alright, so we got plenty of that, I think. Oh, I missed a spot. Let's just scooch that over there, just a scooch. Just a scooch. Some texture up on that little guy a little bit. Like he was lifted up out of the ground there. No particular snow stuff, but I find it is going to leave a nice rough and gruff looking area. So there's a quick rundown of that. Okay, back inside from priming. What we're gonna do here is attempt to test out some colors. I'm thinking I want the rocks to be a nice bright tan. So I'm gonna base coat them with an Everland Sunset. And then we'll see what it looks like going over with Rackheart Flesh. But before we do any on that, what we'll do here is test it out on the old Paint-A-Pede. Paint-A-Pede. Oh, we better shake that up. There we go. We're just gonna go straight out of the pot. So let's get us a little going here to keep the paint moving. Just use up all that paint we bought and scoop it up, because I hate wasting my paint. Anywho, oh, this is what almost happens when you have your coffee cup and forget to go get your water. So we'll cut away for that to dry, and we'll go get our water, and I'll drink my coffee, and we'll shoot some more.
Ooh. No.
Okay, that's about dry. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take our Rackheart Flesh, just like that. We're just gonna go over some of it with a good coat of regular thin paint. Thin it down, real thin. This is real thin. test a thin layer up here. Now we're just gonna go from the wet to the regular to the thick and get us a idea of how we want to apply the paint to the rocks. So also see how it matches up against his current color scheme. Try not to dunk him in it. Alright, so before we go in with these two colors, I think we're going to do alright with those. We're going to get some Abaddon black. We want to make sure that all the details on those rocks pop out. So we're going to base coat it in black to really get the recesses defined. And now we're going to just very quickly get a base coat on these rocks. So you can see right away, probably should have went in with a bigger brush. Okay, so we decided to get us a, what do we have here? 5 round, whatever. Now we'll get in there. Oh yeah. Now we're painting. Just focus on the rocks for now. Just to get something going. 20 minutes before I gotta get ready for my day job. So we're getting us some relaxing painting in before we go welding. Just getting in there, getting these rocks hammered out. Okay, so that was part 1. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll get part 2 going up as soon as we can. Had some camera difficulties. If you're wondering what's going on here, this will be the sneak peek after part 2.